Hello guys, welcome to your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Recording artist Nesbeth has been busy working on new projects. The artist released his new music video Steer Home Steer, which speaks on the expectations of artists and the sacrifices that are introduced to persons in the music industry to be a success.
Me we go and stay home, stay, yeah man. Me we go and stay home, stay normal. Work every day and pray, yeah man. Low profile like bass, yeah man. Trench town youth, so me stay, yeah man. Nah follow nobody, me a wait and plan. Me a go and stay home, stay, yeah man.
The My Dream artist has recently worked with dancehall artist Bound to Killer on their Who Is Responsible track and has an upcoming single with Jashi. E-Prime got the chance to speak with Nesbeth on his upcoming plans as an artist. This is what he had to say.
My recent recording with Jashi will be out soon, very soon. It is titled Ring the Alarm. I'll be leaving shortly for shows in Detroit, USA, and a couple more states in America. I also have a few gigs in Canada, a Caribbean tour to do. I'm also booked for in a couple countries in Europe, and Africa is in the making as well. I'm currently in the studio working on my new EP.
Now, Jamaican reggae singer and songwriter Lila Ike last evening showed her fans just how versatile she can be with her music. Lila is known for her vibe and her great reggae hits like Thy Will featuring dancehall artist Skilly Bang and I Spy, which was released back in 2020. Lila was recently on tour with TVJ and is one of the featured artists on his album Third Time's the Charm on the track Late Night. International scene where rapper Nicki Minaj took to social media last evening after the Recording Academy moved her song Super Freaky Girl from the rap category to the pop category for award consideration. The category swap was noticed when the first round ballot went out to Recording Academy voters this week. Minaj had faith that she would win in the rap category, but says that she now doesn't feel she stands a fair chance since she's currently up against Harry Styles and Adele. The Recording Academy has not publicly stated the reason for placing Super Freaky Girl, which samples Super Freak by Rick James, in the pop category. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.